Reach further, faster with the new PS750 pole saw from Oregon and take your pruning to new heights. With nearly 9 feet reach when extended, the PS750 lets you tackle the toughest branches up to 14 feet high with ease. The pole saw features an 8-inch Oregon guide bar, the perfect cutting length for most any pruning job. Save time with fast and easy chain adjustments. The PS750 is engineered with a convenient tool-free chain tensioning system. And you can trust the Oregon chain build quality that comes from decades of industry-leading expertise. This low kickback chain gives you confidence cut after cut. The new electric pole saw from Oregon delivers powerful torque straight from its 6.5 amp motor. And it's instantly on, right from the trigger. No hassling with pull cords or priming. You can also forget checking air filters, winterizing, and gas oil mixing. The PS750 also features automatic lubrication for virtually maintenance-free use for unbeatable convenience. Plus, it'll go easy on your ears and your back. The PS750 is silent between cuts and offers low-noise, low-vibration cutting. With a lightweight design at just 7.8 pounds and an ergonomic handle, it's a tool that's comfortable, easy to use, and built to last, with endless runtime to tackle the biggest projects. Giving you the power, precision, and reach to prune with ease. The new PS750 electric pole saw from Oregon. Get your job done right with the best tools from the brand you can trust.